Union Pacific is refusing to scale back late-night train runs.
KPIX 5's Len Ramirez tells us San Jose's mayor not too happy with the explanation that he is getting from the railroad. Len?
That's right. The mayor isn't happy. The residents aren't happy, especially folks living in these apartments and condos that were just built out of some old canneries that used to be here along the rail lines. They can't get any sleep at night. And a community meeting that was called in this area to hopefully bring some sort of a compromise seems to have only pushed the two sides farther apart. This is a 12-second horn blast from a Union Pacific train passing through Japantown at about 10 o'clock Wednesday night. It was so long and loud, neighbors took to social media calling it a retaliatory honk for a testy meeting between Japantown neighbors and Union Pacific officials just hours before.
It was way beyond normal. I think it might have been a little, hey, we heard about the meeting, here come the horns.
At the meeting, it was neighbors sounding off to a Union Pacific official who tried to explain that the train company is using a new operational plan for rail efficiency, but downplaying the impact.
We were running the same amount of trains in 2000 that we're actually running now, at night. And so it is not...
Some neighbors accused him of lying, saying the number of overnight trains began spiking on the line through Japantown ever since the plan went into effect in February. Mayor Sam Liccardo was more diplomatic, but just as angry.
Mr. Mayor, but the plan did state the number of trains. I'm not misleading the community, Mr. Mayor.
Today, Mayor Liccardo said Union Pacific's claim that it's running the same number of night trains was mixing up two rail lines in different parts of downtown.
That's the kind of thing that you just need to be very clear with people about, and Union Pacific needs to understand we're going to insist on the facts.
Union Pacific did not respond to my request for comment, but the company has said it's required by law to sound its horns when it comes to road crossings or sees people on the tracks. And some neighbors who have lived here a long time accept the noise.
People complain about the horns. It's normal. I mean, you live by a train track.
You blast you out of your bed.
San Jose is now looking into filing a lawsuit or other legal action to quiet the trains. Union Pacific says it's planning no changes.
They have their rules. Of course, now there's more residents here along the track, so maybe there's a happy medium somewhere along the line.
Somewhere along the line, we'll have to see if that ever comes about. Now, we wanted to find out exactly how many trains come through here on any given night, and that question was submitted to Union Pacific officials by email today, but so far they have not responded to that question. Reporting live in San Jose, Len Ramirez, KPIX 5.